Making selection based on color and focus. In this tutorial, we will learn about how to make selections based on color and focus. Below the Select menu, we can find two more features that can help us make selections, which are Color Range and Focus Area. Now, as we can see in this photo, we will darken the greens and also add a little saturation to the foreground to make the lupin pop up. We will start with the color range. We can either start with the sampled color, or we can choose from the color ranges, or highlights, midtones, shadows, or skin tones. So, we'll begin with the sampled colors and then click in the green area in the image. To add to that selection, we can either click on the eyedropper with the plus icon or simply hold down the Shift key in order to select additional shades of green and click on OK. As we can see, Photoshop is now displaying the selection as marching ants. Now we will choose curves as our adjustment layer from the bottom of the layers panel. We have not yet talked about curves. However, we will click drag downwards from the middle of the curve to darken the selection. We can also see clearly that the selection is of a hard edge. So, we will switch to mask and increase the feather. Before we do things in the foreground, we will click on the background layer and then choose Select Focus Area. We will keep the auto turned on and grab the brush with the minus so that we can remove few areas that should be removed. We will select the brush, click on the paint to remove and these greens as well. We will not presently worry about the other lupin as they are easy to deselect. We will click OK and grab the lasso tool by tapping the L key and hold down the Alt key in order to subtract from my selection. We will click and drag around any of the extra lupin that got selected by Photoshop because it was in focus. Next, we will add vibrancy by choosing the adjustment layer icon from the bottom of the layers panel. Once we have selected the adjustment layer panel, we will choose the adjustment layer icon. Select vibrancy and increase it. And close the properties panel. To see the effect of a single adjustment layer, we can click on the toggle eye icon and see the before and after effects of the layer. If we want to toggle all the layers, we can hold down the Alt key and click on the eye icon next to the background to see the before and after effects. As you can see, this is quite a simple way to make selections based on color range or focus in the image.